This is the demonstration of the Forex Beast Indicator. Dear traders, welcome to the demonstration of the Forex Beast Indicator, the Forex Edge tool that has been tried, tested, and validated to be used for currency trading. It is a tool designed to help both novice traders and advanced traders who are eagerly looking to make money in the Forex market. This tool is a result of many years of trading knowledge and experience. It is a tool that almost every trader wishes to have in their trading arsenal. Now, let us start our demonstration of this tool, covering key important details about features of the tool and how to use it in currency analysis. Remember, this tool can be used in any of the known currency markets out there. It is not only limited to Forex pairs. Now, here is the breakdown of the components of this tool. This indicator has several important components or features that every user must be aware of. This indicator has 7 main parts: the moving averages, the colored zones, the support and resistance or the previous time highs and lows, the signals, the dashboard, the input section. The Forex Beast Indicator is specifically designed for aspiring traders who want to make a difference in the Forex market. This indicator is a result of long-time research, studies, experience, and expertise accumulated over time. It is a tool that can be learned, mastered, and tried in the actual market while considering managing the associated risk wisely. While this tool doesn't guarantee a 100% accuracy and get rich quick types of signals, it can add value to those who manage risk with wisdom and care. Now, let us delve into the intricate details of the indicator. We use the moving averages to analyze the direction and momentum of the trend as usual. The short-term moving average in blue color is used to determine the trend reversal and filter trade signals. The long-term moving averages in red color is used to assess the overall direction and momentum of the long-term trend. If the overall direction of the long-term is to the upward, then we know for sure the market is in a bullish trend, though there might be some minor down movements before it resumes to its major upward move. On the contrary, if the long-term moving average is headed to the downside, then we know for sure the trend is bearish, meaning that the price of that particular currency is dropping in the long run. All of the above moving averages are vital to deciding on what directions we should target our trades. Then we have the colored zones that will be updating and adjusting automatically. These zones create the basis and the backbone of this tool's trading strategy. We have the yellow zone, which is labeled as the weak sell zone. The salmon red zone, known as the strong sell zone. The area below the salmon red zone is known as the very strong sell zone. Then we have the light blue zone, ATIA, the neutral zone. The blue zone is called the weak buy zone. The green zone is known as the strong buy zone. And the area above the green zone is labeled as the very strong buy zone. The signals generated on both the screen and dashboard on the left will depend on the position of the price in relation to these key zones. Remember, you don't just go and open trades as soon as you see these signals. Though you may choose to rely solely on these signals, you can go deep in the analysis by considering the position of price in relation to the support and resistance zone, for example, the previous day's low, the previous week's high, and so on. To use the support and resistance zones in your analysis, there are some secrets you need to be told here first. I am going to reveal these secrets to you here now. For instance, if the price is trading far above the previous week's high and then starts to come back and trade near the previous week's high, then we should expect 2 things. 1, the price may bounce back to the top after hitting the previous week's high and continue to move up. 2, the price may break below the previous week's high and then continue to fall until it hits the previous week's low or the previous day's high or low. Therefore, any nearby line can act as the next support line or resistance line, depending on the position of the price in relation to that particular line. If the price is above the line, then we will expect the line to act as support, and if the price is below the line of reference, then we expect that line of reference to act as resistance line. So, when you are trading, it is very important to consider these key pieces of information to your advantage. In the future, I may release a course that will explain these trading secrets in detail. So, keep connected, subscribe so that you get to know when I release the full trading course. Okay, let's continue with the indicator demonstration. This indicator has dotted vertical green lines which are monthly period separators to help us know the beginning and the end of each month. In the input section, you have multiple options to enable and disable some features of the tool per your preference. Just go ahead and have fun with the input section while enabling and disabling some features you don't need often. So, how do you make good trades with this tool? Well, there are different ways you can use this tool to make some nice, profitable trades. Number one, you may choose solely to rely on the signals generated per each time frame by the tool. But you should be very careful here. If you see a buy signal on the chart, you should also consider the direction of the current candle to avoid unnecessary drawdowns and losses. If you choose to rely on the single signal generated by the current chart, then you need to check the direction of the candle as well. I mean, you should take buy trades when the current candle is bullish and above the blue moving average in a bullish trend. You should take sell trades when the current candle is bearish and the candle is trading below the blue moving average in a bearish trend. The second strategy is to use multi-timeframe signal analysis. If the higher time frames like daily, weekly, and monthly are heading to the same side, meaning that they exhibit the same signal, for instance buy signal, then you should wait for the lower time frame to show the same signal as higher time frame, then you take a trade in the direction of higher time frame for long-term trend. For example, you may take a sell trade when all time frames show strong or very strong sell signals with a bearish candlestick. Same with the buy trade. Consider taking buy trades when all time frames are showing strong or very strong buy signals with bullish candlestick formation. While implementing the above trading strategy, you should consider using the support and resistance levels, such as previous daily high, as your profit target for buy trades, and place your stop loss below your previous daily low. If the trade is a sell trade, then consider positioning your take profit at the previous daily or weekly low while setting your stop loss above previous days or previous week's high, depending on what level is close to the entry level or the safe zone. Keynote to remember: you should take time to practice the trading strategy with a demo account until you master the tool and get enough confidence to go live with the trade signals generated with the aid of this tool. Now I will make some trades on a demo account to demonstrate each trading strategy with this tool, and then I will show you the results of each trade strategy and then discuss what was right and what was wrong. Now I will start by trading the USD CHF pair. From the dashboard, all time frame signals seem to propose a buy trade. On the chart, I see a bullish candle on the hourly time frame, and the momentum seems to be bullish. I will take a 1.0 lot size trade for this demonstration. I will put my stop loss just below the previous day's low, and my take profit will go above previous month's high. Then I will wait, and later I will update you with the results. You can apply the same strategy for a sell trade as well. Now, the next trading strategy I am going to demonstrate is the use of the signals on the current chart without including multi-time frame analysis. Then, we will compare to see which one works very well. You may try to back-test the strategies with many trades to get enough samples for making the most reliable conclusion. Okay, let us start checking the charts for these strategy signals. This time, I will do a sell trade because in the above demonstration, I did a buy trade. So here, as I check this AUD-USD pair, I see a weak buy signal, but when I observe the current candle, I see that the candle is a strong bearish candle, and the general momentum of the trend is downward. So I will take a sell trade and put my stop loss above the previous daily high, and my take profit will go just below previous day's low. I will then hold my trade and wait for the trade to either hit my take profit or my stop loss. After this, I will update you with the results. Now here are the updates for the above two trades and one more extra bonus trade on CHF-JPY pair. As you can see here, we USD CHF experienced a pullback as we took buy trade for about 6 good hours. But after that, the price chose to make a U-turn, and now we are in profit. The reason for that delayed profit was because we entered the trade, because the price was near the previous week high, which then acted as a strong resistance level and pushed the price downward before it resumes its original upwards trend. The second trade taken was the Australian dollar to US dollar. This trade is also in profit as for now, as you can see. We saw the momentum falling and the price was trading below the blue moving average plus weak buy signal and a bearish candle near the resistance zone. I then took a sell trade, hoping for a nice gain, and wonderful enough the trade did so. It rewarded us with a nice profit, as you can see. Remember, this is the demonstration of the Forex Beast Indicator. So, as I finalize this demonstration, let us make a quick recap of the above trading strategy with this indicator. Here are the key factors you must consider to check before you take any trade. Make sure you have mastered the tool and its associated trading strategy. Before opening a sell trade, for sell trades, make sure the overall price momentum is downward. The signal on the chart is sell signal. The current candle is bearish and below the blue moving average. Take a trade, put your stop loss above the nearby resistance level, but make sure the stop loss is wide enough to give the room for the price to breath back without hitting your stop loss before it continues to fall. For buy trades, make sure the momentum is upwards. The signal is strong buy or equivalent to buy signal. The current candle is bullish and above the blue moving average. Then take a trade with confidence. Put your stop loss just below the nearby support level, giving enough space for the price to breathe, and wait vigilantly for the trade to go in your favor. Dear traders, after I have said that, here we come to the end of this demonstration. Make sure to take time and put this tool into practice until you get full confidence. When you are ready at your own time, just go ahead and try it in the real market if you think you have gained confidence with this tool. Remember, trading is risky, and you should do it wisely. There is no guaranteed profit. This tool should be treated with caution and proper risk management to avoid losing your hard-earned money. Thank you for considering this tool, and I wish you success and profitability. You can get access to this tool through the link in the description below. Don't hesitate to try this tool. I am there waiting to see you making money. Thanks.